Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Stitch Fix. Yes, it's here and I can't wait to break into it. Hey, if you're new, welcome. Really glad that you have joined me. I sure hope you'll subscribe before you leave and join me for more videos. And to my returning subscribers, hello. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about this one. You guys, I never peek. But I also just break into these boxes just as soon as they land on my doorstep, and it just arrived. Let's get into it right away. If you're new to Stitch Fix and wondering what Stitch Fix is all about, I mean, it is fun in a box. This is a style subscription box, and you go online and you fill out a style profile and you let them know what your sizes are, your style preferences, what types of styles that you are looking for, and your price points. And I have been requesting the lowest budget bracket fixes, and my stylist has done a pretty good job at that. So after you fill everything out, you are paired with a stylist, and she curates a box of clothing and accessories, sometimes shoes for you. You get 5 pieces to try on at home. There's a $20 styling fee. That fee comes off anything that you purchase in the box. Oh, and the best part, if you keep everything, all 5 pieces that are sent to you, you get a 25% discount. So that is Stitch Fix in a nutshell. I will leave everything that I know about Stitch Fix in the description box below. And I have also left my referral link. If you use my referral link for your very first Stitch Fix, your styling fee is waived and you get $25 credit on your first box. So that's a fabulous deal. And in return, Stitch Fix offers me $25 in credit for every single person that has used my link. And guys, I have a bunch of credit on this box. And I want to say thank you very much to every single person that has used my link. You really support my channel by using my link. So thank you very much. I also just want to tell you something, guys. When I have credit in the bank with my subscription boxes, I feel like it's harder to spend than spending my own money. So let's just hope this box is a 5 for 5 and break into it. This is what my box looks like, and this one looks very interesting. You can see the paperwork has fallen out of the envelope, but we do have a return mailer because anything that doesn't work for me, I can send back. I have 3 days to put it in the mail. Postage is free. The empty envelope should have the invoice. This is an invoice. Yes, I have to pay for these clothes. And this is a note from my stylist and some style cards, which are suggestions on how to style the pieces that she has sent. I'm sure you saw we do have a shoe bag, which I am a shoe fanatic, so I love to see shoe bags in my Stitch Fix. Although I honestly don't purchase a whole lot of shoes from Stitch Fix. It seems like I've been getting a lot of shoes from Stitch Fix lately, but I love to see shoe bags. And we have 2 bundles. Oh, look at that. Oh, I have to tear into it. Okay, it looks like a purse, and this looks like a really, oh, look at this. This is a clutch. Oh my goodness. This is so nice. This is by Urban Expressions. And is there a Stitch Fix tag on it? Okay, here's the Stitch Fix tag. This is the Urban Expressions Kaylee woven clutch in orange red. And it's an envelope clutch in that basket weave. And this is a beautiful color of orange. So we do have the crossbody strap. That's a gold chain. And this is the inside of the bag. And you see the inside is this beautiful dot fabric, the polka dots. I like that. There is 1 pocket on the side and 1 big pocket. So this is large enough for a cell phone. This is also large enough that I could put this in my new orange tote. Guys, I really like this. I hope it's affordable. Oh, it's orange, and I think that's a fabulous springtime color. So yeah, I might have a new clutch. And here is the bundle. Ooh, it looks so little, doesn't it? I guess, because there's only 3 pieces. I have shoes and the clutch. Okay, look at this. That is how this came to me. On the bottom, we have something in teal. It looks like maybe some pants or something, but they are full of pet hair, and that did not come from me. You guys witnessed it. I just opened it up, and that's unfortunate. I wish that Stitch Fix had checked that before they sent them out, and I also wished that all of us girls that do Stitch Fix, when we decide to send something back, if we have pets in our home, just to run the lint roller over it. I have to do that because this is a pet home. But yeah, it's such a turnoff. Can you see there's hair and they're dirty? I don't even want to try them on. You guys, hair gives me the EBGBs. If it's my hair or my pet's hair, that doesn't bother me. But if it's someone else's, it bothers me. This is already grossing me out. Let's just start with these, okay? It's like, I don't want them close to me. This is a Stitch Fix exclusive, and these are by Tinsel. These are some pants. They are the Liam ankle zip straight pant in teal green. And guys, look at these, how they are just filled with lint and hair and pet hair. And this is awful. These pants do have a zip in the side. That's on the inside as well, which I always think that's weird. Okay. Let me take this to a positive place. So these are a trouser, and they have fake pockets in the back and a flat front, a nice big thick waistband, and I am going to run the lint roller over this and show these to you. Okay, the next piece is beautiful. I love the color. I like the print. You see those florals, and that is a fun print. This is a wrap top. Let's see. Is this? Yeah, it's a real wrap. It is, there is a modesty snap right there. I don't know about that. I have difficulty with the real wrap sometimes because normally you have to wear a camisole underneath. But this is the Lush Lemi Faux wrap top in green. And yeah, I like it. I love the print. I love the color. What do you think? Do I look okay in green? I've kind of digging green lately. We'll see how that wrap looks on me. Ooh. Kayla, are you watching? I think this is the top that you got. Let's see. This is Luck, the Juliet Crochet knit top in fuchsia, size medium, and I think this is an off-the-shoulder top, which I ask my stylist to send me bra-friendly, and this isn't necessarily bra-friendly. This requires a strapless bra. I do own many off-the-shoulder tops. I don't ever reach for them. I'm not real comfortable wearing them. You guys know why. You wear it down here, it comes up here. You wear it down here, it comes up here. Then you push the girls up. I don't know, right off the bat, maybe it will look okay. Up here, we'll see. I like the print. Very pretty fabric. It's in this, they call it fuchsia, but I think it looks more red. Oh my goodness, look at that sleeve detail, very nice. And the bottom of it has some kind of crochet lace detail on it. Oh, I wish this had a regular sleeve. The shoes are gonna be dynamite, right? Cross your fingers, we're gonna have some awesome shoes in here. Gold sandals. Okay, these are the sandals, and they're cute. What is it? Let's read what they are. These are the Report Footwear Lena braided sandal in gold silver. So you can see that color, and it reads more gold to me than silver. And the reason I'm kind of surprised by this is I recently purchased a pair of sandals that look really similar, almost identical. In fact, let me get them. So here's the sandals that my stylist included in this fix, and here are the gold sandals that I purchased a few fixes ago. These are both by the brand Report, and I do think these look more gold. So it makes more sense. But these, although they are gold, silver, they still read gold to me. So yeah, I'm covered on the gold sandals, I think. I'll go ahead and try these on. I was really surprised when I tried these on. I didn't like them until I put them on my feet. So I will try these and I'll try everything. We'll see how it all works. All right, the Stylist note doesn't make a lot of sense. So I'm going to share it with you, and I'd love to hear what you think about this note. She says, "Hi Kelly, spring is right around the corner, and this fix is ripe for the picking with the colors, styles, and fabrications of the fresh new season per your request." That's the only request I made, spring. The one word request, spring. And she says, "I couldn't resist the tinsel pants for you in a trending teal green. In that straight fit you prefer." Really? I don't prefer straight leg pants. You might prefer me in straight leg pants, but it is not my preferred style. And then she goes on to say, "These slightly cropped cuties are sized up per their cut, fabrication, and your feedback. How is the fit? Despite their unconventional hue, these pants will be complemented by many different shirts, including the colorful and budget-friendly Luck crochet knit top. Finish this anything but ordinary outfit with the Report metallic sandals and the UE clutch. You had mentioned you are willing to carry this style. It is not my preferred style. My preferred style is a satchel, but hello, color blocking perfection. The non 100% rayon wrap shirt, so you, with the pants, shoes, and clutch provided, another full outfit. Colorful and chic. Thoughts? XO, Kara. Kara is my stylist." The Stylist note is throwing me off just a bit because I have never asked for straight leg pants. I am open. I will try straight leg. I will try flared leg. I prefer skinny. I think that they can look at my history and see that I tend to buy denim in skinny cuts. But so yeah, that's weird. And the idea that I said I would be willing to carry clutches, I do like the bag. I like the clutch an awful lot, but it's definitely not my preferred style to carry. I carry a satchel, and every time I have requested a bag from Stitch Fix, I have always requested a satchel. Okay, it's just weird, and this fix seems to just kind of be going sideways. I'm not real crazy about anything. I want to quickly go over the prices with you, and I'll give you my thoughts. Okay, the first piece are these tinsel pants, and these are only $48. She did size up in them, and the waistband is too big. It fit very nicely through the hips and the legs. This is a trouser. It feels like a work pant. I don't need that. You guys, I really was turned off by receiving these pants so dirty, full of hair and lint. From the first moment I saw them, I knew I wasn't going to buy them. Much like if I am shopping in a retail store and I find something, say a pair of pants that I like, and I find my size, I am going to look at every pair of pants that is my size to see if I can find the cleanest and the sharpest looking pants. So I never grab for the one that is full of dirt or hair or anything like that. I don't think anyone does. Now you're learning more about me than you probably even wanted to know. I'm not a germaphobe. I just have this like really weird hang up about other people's hair, and that it was such a turn off to me. I'll leave my stylist notes. I'll put it in my feedback, but yeah, I'm not interested in buying these. Next up is this Luck top. And again, this kind of baffles me why she would send me an off-the-shoulder top when I specifically asked for bra friendly. So I did try this on with my tank underneath, and you know, maybe, you guys, I'm not going to reach for this. I already know because I've tried this experiment over and over again. And sure, it looks cute when I stand back in front of the camera. I think I love the pattern on this, love the sleeve detail. This is really a cute top. It's only $38, and that's a steal. But it just doesn't fit into my daily life. You know, I am tempted at times to buy a really cute top like this, and I've done it a bunch of times, but I have a really active life. I seldom do anything where all I have to do is sit and look pretty. I am usually working and going and doing an inaction, and this is not an inaction top, not in my world. So I'm sending this back, even at that great price tag. It's going back. Okay, next up, the Report sandals. These are the Lena braided sandals. So they're a little bit different from what I have, but they're way too close to what I have. I love my shoes, but I would rather have sandals like this in every color of the rainbow than having several gold sandals. I just don't have any need for them. And the left toe bothered me on these, so I would never purchase these even if I didn't have the other one. Those toe straps really bother my sensitive feet. These are only $39 and they might work for you. I know my other Report sandals really work for me, so yeah, these are going back too. Next up is the Lush top, and this is the Lemmy faux wrap top, and this is only $38. I think that's a good price. I don't know about the fit on this one either. It's short, and I didn't like how the tie worked. I felt like there was too much fabric right at the tie. I think, do you know what I mean? Do you guys ever get that where you have to start tying into the top? That's how this one was, to get it secure enough to where I could wear it. I do appreciate the modesty snap. I like the cut of this a lot. And I might consider buying it if it had been just a little bit longer. I think that this works with high-waisted pants. When I raised my arms, you could not see my tummy, but I think it's too short. But I want to keep it. I really want to keep something in this fix. So let me know what you think about this Lush top. The last item in my fix is the clutch. This is the Kayla woven clutch by Urban Expressions. I really like it. You guys, you know I'm very, very drawn to the color. But I just picked up an orange, almost the same color orange tote bag, which is really a better size for me. But this would look cute with some of my dresses, wouldn't it? This clutch is only $38. I'm really thinking about keeping this. I'm curious if you have any thoughts about it. I picked up a straw basket weave clutch last spring from Stitch Fix. I thought it was adorable. It's very similar. In fact, I think it is Urban Expressions, and I've never carried it because I don't normally ever reach for my clutches. I use a clutch more for date night, and I don't know if this orange bag would find its way to date night. So the subtotal of this box, the Stylist Picks, comes to $201, and the buy all discount, the 25% off, is $50.25. That brings the box total down to $150.75. And I have enough credit, I wouldn't have to pay anything for anything in this box. But nothing in this box is wowing me. I told you, it's harder for me to spend your money than it is for me to spend my money, but nothing in this box is really wowing me except maybe this bag, and it would kind of be a splurge because this is not a bag I would carry very often. I like the green top. I think it's too short for me. I can't wait to hear your comments, guys. Help me out. Is there anything I should keep? What do you think? Please let me know. Not to worry, I do have another box waiting to be opened, and I have high hopes for that one. Make sure that you're subscribed so you can see that unboxing and try on when I publish that video. Guys, thanks so much for sticking around. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up? It really helps me out. I appreciate all of your support. Until we meet again, blessings to all of you.